everybody, I am Animesh. Welcome to my channel Bright Face. Today I am going to recite a poem, and my poem is about Earth. It is very helpful for all the kids. So let's start. Lives are crying because it is not clean. Earth is drying because it is not green. Earth, our dear mother, don't pollute it. She gives us food and shelter. Just salute it. With global warming, it's in danger. Let's save it by becoming a strong ranger. With dying trees and animals, it's in sorrow. Let's make it green today and green tomorrow. With melting snow, one day it will sink. How can we save it? Just think. Trees are precious. Preserve them. Water is a treasure. Preserve them. Grow more trees and make Mother Earth a queen. And reduce pollution and make her a queen. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye. See you in the next video.